I'm Bart Ehrman, and I'm happy to announce a new course that I'll be doing on June 4th called When Does Life Begin? The Status of the Unborn in the Biblical Tradition. Abortion continues to be a major issue in our country, socially, politically, and personally. In this course, I will not be taking a stand on the issue. I won't be talking about my personal views about whether abortion should or should not be allowed at any point. I'm instead going to be looking at the biblical traditions themselves to see, does the Bible provide any insight into the matter? Does the Bible ever take a stand on abortion? Does the Bible ever indicate when life actually begins? At conception, at some point during gestation, at birth? We'll be looking at all of the relevant passages, and I'll be explaining what these passages appear to mean according to the most recent biblical scholarship. To learn more about the course or to register for it, it's very simple. Simply go to www.bartehrman.com/life. The course, as I said, will be recorded. If you come live, you'll be able to have the recording. You'll be given the recording for lifelong use. And if you're unable to make the course, then you can at least purchase it at the website. Thanks so much. I hope you can come.